Shri Yudhishthira Vacha Bhagavan Shotamechami Nrinam Dharmam Sanatanam Varnashamachara Yutam Yat Puman Vindate Param. Maharaj Yudhishthira said, my dear Lord, I wish to hear from you about the principles of religion by which one can attain the ultimate goal of life, devotion service. I wish to hear about the general occupation, duty of the human society and system of social and spiritual advancement known as Varnashrama Dharma. So there is no word called Hindu Dharma here in the Shastra. What is the word? Sanatana Dharma and Varnashrama Dharma. So actually our Dharma is Sanatana Dharma. Sanatana means it is eternal. There are various kind of dharmas we discuss. Chala dharma, upadharma, paradharma, kaitava dharma, paro dharma. Chala dharma means just like Buddha. He did not talk about God. And he said, be nice, don't hurt other people. He said so sweetly, people started worshipping him. Anybody, कोई भी आपको कोई एडवाइस दे बिना अहंकार के दिल को छू जाती है, करेक्ट? So Chaitanya Buddha said very sweetly, "Arey, we should not give pain to other people." Correct? People said very nice, and they started worshipping him. And he is Krishna himself. That is called chala. He cheated them. He did not talk about God, but you see all Buddhist countries, they worship Buddha. He is God himself. He is Vishnu. है ना? Chalayati. Therefore Jayadev Goswami बोलते हैं chalayati. बहुत अच्छा टोपी लगा. Very cleverly made them worship God, है ना? Because they were not ready to directly understand God. They were. अगर हो सकता था, he could have taught them about God, but it was beyond their capacity to understand what is God. एक ऐसा ट्रिक लगा. Paradharma means दूसरे का काम करो. What you are not supposed to do, you do, which is beyond your capacity, and then you disturb. Just like I give an example. The judge has not come, and in the court, the clerk thinks maybe I can go and sit there. Yeah, sit there. काम तो करो, लेकिन काम नहीं कर पाएगा. करें? पाराधर्मा नहीं करना चाहिए. पाराधर्मा भयावहा. भगवद गीता बोलते हैं ना. पाराधर्मा जैसे अर्जुन also said, अरे मैं जंगल में जाके हरे कृष्ण से नहीं. पाराधर्मा भयावहा. अभी क्षत्रिय का काम करो. You are not ready now to imitate the work of a brahmana. ठीक है? Then there is Upadharma. Upadharma means sub-religious principles, but following them you will slowly one day come to real dharma. Be nice, be good. It's also good things, but it is not dharma actually. Kaitava dharma, cheating religion. Kaitava dharma means for some thing other than devotional service, people are practicing religion today. Kaitava. So this Kaitava dharma can be in various categories. There is one dharma which is called people are doing. Why do people practice dharma? There are 4 reasons. Very interesting. Number 1 reason they practice is out of fear. This is also cheating. Why you have to practice out of fear? Just like your daughter comes to meet you out of fear. Is it pleasing? Why you are so scared of me? Isn't it? Will you say? I love you. Why you have to be scared of me? So some people go to God out of fear. In fact, some countries, that's how they preach. You do not surrender to this, they will take some symbol of God, you will go to hell. And there will be some, among 1,000 today, you will get one bakra. You will get one bakra. But one only among 1,000. You try this trick. People will not listen this now in the world. But वो एक तरीका है. Out of fear people go. नहीं, I should go. Otherwise something inauspicious will happen. They do like that. Suppose there is some religious function. Now Narsimha Jayanti is coming. Generally Vishnu worship people don't do like that. Devi Devata Puja log. There is some Aradhana. There is some, why Nagadosha? Out of fear. What the astrologer will say, some inauspicious has happened. Shanti karo. Is it? Mangalore, the trick is very fine. Out of fear only they go. They have no love. Out of fear. Nagadosha has happened. Sarpadosha has happened. यहाँ पे बहुत है ये. Bhuta dosha has happened. Bhuta Aradhana will happen. Khola. Just somehow do Shanti. So people go out of fear. It is Chala Dharma. This is not Dharma. What is there? You go out of love, no? And anyway, they Devi Devata, they go. They don't go to Lord. Lord doesn't like this coming out of fear to him. And nobody likes. Kya jarat? So this is the Abhaya Charana. Bhajahure mana Shri Nanda Nandana Abhaya Charanara Vendare. If you come to Krishna's shelter, you become fearless. In fact, symptoms of spiritual advancement, person is fearless. Usko koi dar nahi hai. And I think a person cannot follow any principles if he is fearful. क्या follow करेगा डर के? He will not be able to follow. Person should be fearless. Yes. So anyway, better than doing nothing, fearfully you do. Example is, many people, they pay income tax out of fear. Mostly I think they pay out of fear only. Nobody pays out of love for the country. My dear country, I give so much income tax. That is 1 in 100. Mostly they pay out of fear. If I don't pay, मैं arrest हो जाएगा, isn't it? They go to chartered accountant, how much minimum I have to pay? Minimum they pay. And I heard certain people, they never pay. I think after demonetization, GST, now Marwadi, they're very upset because in the history they never paid income tax. I heard like that. The finance minister was making the speech that an average salaried man gives 70,000 rupees per annum income tax. And unsalaried people who are earning 10 times of them are paying only 15,000 per annum average income tax. There is so much cheating going on. Okay? So anyway, better than not paying, pay out of fear. That is better. So similarly, instead of not going to God, better go out of fear. Better to go to God. Even Devi Devata is better to go instead not to go. But instead of going to Devi Devata, why don't go to the Lord itself? Yeah. अगर कोई नास्तिक है उससे अच्छा तो आदमी है जो देवी देवता के मंदिर जाता है, उससे तो अच्छा ही हो. एटलीस्ट किसी के सामने झुकता तो है. एंड दैट देवी देवता इज द रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ गॉड, सम रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ऑफ गॉड. बट बेटर इज व्हेन कृष्णा's डोर इज ओपन, गो देयर. नो, यू गो फॉर मेकिंग सम ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस एंड वहाँ पे जो RTO ऑफिसर है, मेन हेड, उसका डोर खुला है, सीधा गो देयर. नो, ही इज वेलकमिंग. व्हाई यू हैव टू गो एंड ब्राइब द चपरासीज? स्ट्रेट वे गो देयर, फिनिश योर जॉब. So that is better, out of fear. Better than fear is we go out of desire. And then many people, this is also another kind of Kaitava Dharma, cheating religion. Real religion is to go out of love. Below that all are cheating. So some people go out of desire. Now desire, when they go, actually it is better than out of fear. But in desire, they are trying to take advantage. There is no love for the Lord. Mostly they go, they don't even look at the DT तक को नहीं देखते. आंख बंद करके लिस्ट चल रही है, वो दे देना, वो इसका ये कर देना, उसको जॉब लगा देना, मेरा वो बैक एक ठीक कर देना, मेरा लोन ख़त्म कर देना, वो मेरा दुश्मन बन गया उसको ख़त्म कर देना. लिस्ट चल रहा है, आंख बंद है. भगवान को तक देखते नहीं है क्योंकि वो आंख बंद है, को भूल ना जाए लिस्ट में. कुछ याद करना होता है ना, हाँ, पूरा लिस्ट बोल के देखो. जनरली लोग आंख बंद करते हैं और इस्कॉन में खाली आंख खोलते हैं हम लोग, और उनका डेकोरेशन ऐसा होता है आंख बंद करने लायक ही होता है. ओके, आई थिंक इन इस्कॉन ओनली वी डेकोरेट द डीटीज प्रॉपरली. जनरली ऐसा डेकोरेशन होता है कि देख के आंख बंद कर लो. एक जस्ट पुट वन थिंग है, दैट्स इट. एंड इन इस्कॉन यू हैव टू ओपन आईज एंड स्पेंड 5 minutes टू सी द डेकोरेशन, है ना. In America, what they do, generally ladies are best in decoration. America, they hand over to ladies itself. All temples, pujaris are ladies. But in India, the problem is the people will find it very strange. Cultural shock they will get. Prabhupada in America, जितना temples में ladies को ही hand over कर दिया ना, वो best decoration में, because that's natural for them, they do very nice. So then they go out of desire with the list of items they want, and that is called also in the degree of cheating religion. Dharma projita kaitava. This is kaitava dharma. Not pleasing to the Lord. Nowhere God is in picture. Kuch ye de do, ye de do, ye de do. But at the same time, because he is not pure, how will he approach? We were discussing this point. It's the only way he'll approach in the beginning. Bhagavad Gita, what does it say? Chaturveda? Then? Janana? Then? क्या है चार वैरायटी? आर्तो, अर्थार्थी, ज्ञानी च भरता शवा. ठीक है? So these four kind, in the beginning will come like this only. All of us, when he came first time to the temple, none of us came in pure heart. It is not possible. शुरू में आदि आत्मा ऐसा ही आएगा, लेकिन आया तो कम से कम. वो वहाँ आपका कीर्तन चल रहा था, किसी को वेस्ट में क्या होता है, नगर कीर्तन होता है, लोग सुनते हैं, इतना अच्छा, and they come to temple for some peace, something they come. They are not coming with love for the Lord. That is not possible, no, practically. Neophyte आएगा ये चार, but then Krishna is very happy. He says Udara. He is so liberal. This person is so nice. He is broad-minded. He has come to me. Krishna is very happy. Prabhupada says Krishna takes him like a Mahatma. You have come to me. Krishna is very pleased. At least he has come. So in that sense, suppose the child has gone out of home, he is not out of coming, then one stage he at least follows fearfully. The next he follows with desire. Now still higher, now it has, Kaitava dharma is over, he comes out of duty. People follow dharma out of duty. आप बोलो आप क्यों गए इस कॉन्टेक्ट, नहीं मेरा ड्यूटी है, I have to pay my respects to the Lord. Correct? So the deities ask, why did you come? I just wanted to give respects. It's my duty. मेरा एक कर्तव्य है to give you respects. I just came for a darshan. किस लिए आए थे दर्शन के लिए? क्या चाहिए आपको? It's my duty. That is third level. And highest level, I come out of love. And I can't live just like the devotee Lord Rama used to eat after seeing Lord Rama. भगवान का दर्शन करके खाना खाता था. तो कभी कभी भगवान राम कहीं चले गए तो वो भूखा रहता था. मालूम आपने स्टोरी सुना उसका? वो डीटी है. विच मठा हैज दैट? उडुपी मठा हैज दैट? हाँ, Palimar Mutt has a deity actually, the original deity. So actually when Lord Rama was born, उनके घर में राम का डीटी रखा हुआ था, राम लक्ष्मण का डीटी रखा हुआ था. तो जब वो आए बोला अब तो मैं आ गया, इसको रखो अंदर, बंद कर दिया. there was no need, no personally there, तो वगैरह क्या उनको बंद कर दिया अलमारी में. उनके घर में ऑलरेडी राम का पूजा हो रहा था. ये some people have this idea Krishna came, Lord Rama came before Krishna. अरे मूर्खा, since beginning Krishna is doing worship of Lord Brahma. ठीक है ना? ऐसा नहीं है. तो उनके लॉर्ड रामा के घर में वंश में ऑलरेडी उनका पूजा हो रहा था, तो वाई उन्होंने बंद करके रख दिया. तो दिस व्हेन लक्ष्मण टोल्ड वन डे, सी दिस डिवोटी, देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम, यू गो फॉर सम वर्क समवेयर, यू कम आफ्टर 10 days, इज फास्टिंग फॉर 10 days. ये आपका दर्शन किए बिना खाता ही नहीं है. सो मच लव, ही डज नॉट ईट विदाउट टेकिंग दर्शन ऑफ द डीटीज. ठीक है? तो लॉर्ड रामा सेड कॉल हिम. अलमारी खोला, ही गेव हिम दैट डीटी और राम लक्ष्मण. So that deity went down, came to one king. Odisha king or some king it came. And here Madhvacharya wanted the deity, is Hanuman. He wanted Lord Rama deity. And Madhvacharya is Hanuman himself. You know that, no? He is the incarnation. और उनको वो राम का deity चाहिए, original deity, he wanted. So he sent one person, what is the name? Narari? What is the name? He sent one of his disciples, go to the king and bring that deity. Somehow bring that deity. I want that deity. And he went there. The deity's worship is so much love. Everybody is very attached to the deity in the kingdom. So then, so what to do? So anyway, he joined. He was extremely learned. Being disciple of Madhvacharya, was very learned. So he became one of the ministers in the palace. They will guide for the king. Then the king died. King died, so they will enthrone the small child as the king, and these ministers will be running the kingdom on the behalf of the small child, and they will be training the child to come up. So he trained the child in in Raja Dharma, everything in spiritual knowledge. And as the child came up, he said, "I am indebted so much to you. What can I give you? Give me that Ram Lakshman. Yeah. So he said, no, we can't give that. It's our deities. And finally he gave. And he brought it to Madhvacharya. Madhvacharya was very happy. So he got the Krishna deity is also very special, because this Krishna deity was worshipped by, who worshipped this? Rukmani. This Udupi Krishna deity. And he got Lord Rama deity also, which is very, very special, which was given. So that is out of love, and therefore worship out of love is highest. That is actually Sanatan Dharma. The rest is all cheating religion. Who knows this? We have to worship the Lord out of love. Okay? This true principle is taught, but how to revive the love? The Prabhupada says it does not matter which religious principle we are following, but what is to be seen, that whether we have developed love for God. Does not matter. आप कुछ follow करना चाहते हैं करो, but have you developed love for God? That is the test. True? That is what is being spoken in this Narad Muni. And another thing is that dharma cannot be imagined. What pleases God? Love means you do something which is pleasing to somebody. True? If you love somebody, you find out what he likes and you give him that. That is the mark of love. Now, here this personality, Yudhishthira Maharaj, is asking Narad Muni, tell me what? You tell me what is real dharma. Why? Because Narad Muni is an authority. And today what mistake people do, very unfortunately, they imagine dharma at home. This will be very pleasing to God, this will be pleasing to God, this will be pleasing to God. Mostly those things are not pleasing to God. Correct? They imagine something. So that is not there. We have to hear from an authority, then we come to know what is dharma. And Narad Muni will spend a lot of time explaining Varnashram dharma, because the principle Prabhupada said is actually everybody is a servant. That's a fact. A is serving B, B is serving C, C is serving D. But this service spirit is originally used for the Lord. Jivera Sarup hoy, Krishnera Nityadasa. Originally we are all servants of Lord. So if we invoke that serving spirit, when it is done in the material sphere, Prabhupada says it is not satisfying. That's a line he uses. He uses the word, it is not satisfying when this dharma is used to satisfy an ordinary mundane man in this world. Okay? He says, but one serves, instead of serving God, we are serving the illusory energy, because we have to serve. Okay? Engage in rendering service. In some service, but mentally services. Okay? Okay? So even though they are engaged, they are not satisfied. Okay? That's the point. With no real profit. That's what he says in the song, no? Kriparna Durajana. What is the shloka? Kriparna Durajana. Durajana. Durajana ka line batao Shidra. What is the Durajana line? Sita Ata Babata Barishana. Then? No, there is Durajana, Durajana. हाँ, क्या लाइन है? हाँ, दुर्जना किधर आता है? हाँ, हाँ, पूरा बनाओ ना लाइन. Where the Durajana comes. So Durajana, we are all actually Kriparna Durajana. The song says Kriparna Durajana. Miserly men who are all inauspicious, we are serving them. Including we are serving our own self. So if we serve Krishna, then there will be total satisfaction. So that is Sanatana Dharma. So hearing from an authority, and then we are service spirit is today used in a wrong way, therefore it is not satisfying us. The service spirit, if it is made transcendental for service to Krishna, we come totally sad. Huh? Bifala seveno kripana durajana. Bifala means there is no fruit, but we are doing so much kind of service. But instead of that, if we serve Krishna, we'll be totally satisfied. Okay. Srila Prabhupada ki Srimad Bhagavatam.
Rama